All right, welcome back to another video for your Unit 1 study guide. We're going to be working on problem number 4. Problem number 4 reads, lines X and Y are parallel. So X and Y, so the lines that run up and down, those are parallel. Write an equation that represents the relationship between angle A and angle F. Explain how you know this equation is always true. All right, geometry students, before we can even begin, do me a favor and first of all, identify what type of angles are C and A. C and A. Okay, so I'm gonna let you think about it for about 10-15 seconds. All right, thinking about what type of angles are C and F. Are they on the same side of the transversal, or are they on opposite sides of the transversal? In this case, the transversal is this diagonal line. What is a transversal? Look at the front of your worksheet. The front of your worksheet should tell you what a transversal is. So what is a transversal? All right, oh, I see a few of you reading your notes. Okay, that's perfect. A transversal is a line that cuts through parallel lines, creating congruent angles. All right, so that was good, geometry students. You have that definition in your vocab. So let's see what we can do with that. Okay, so these type of angles A and C are what we call corresponding angles. Whoops, I can't even spell. I'm gonna put it over here. Corresponding angles. Okay, so that means corresponding angles are congruent, right? Because if we have our two parallel lines and we have our transversal, they're on the same level of the line. Whoops, I could do a little bit better than that. They're on the same level of the line and on the same side of the transversal. In this case, they're both to the left of their lines and they're on the same side, which is the top of the transversal. So they're corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lets me know that they're the same. Again, I'm just repeating myself. Now, I know that C and F, going back to our vocab, are supplementary angles. What does supplementary mean? Supplementary, let me write this down. Whoops, I can't even spell. Give me 1 second. Supplementary. You get the point. Supplementary. What does supplementary mean? Supplementary means that the two angles C plus F are going to be equal to 180 degrees, right? Because they form a line, and this is the line that they form. Okay? So that's why they're supplementary angles. So if I know that A and C are corresponding angles, and I know C and F, when you put them together, equal 180, that means that they're supplementary, then I'm going to go ahead and say, then A plus F, A plus F equals 180 degrees since C and F are what kind of angles? They're supplementary. Whoops, I have one job. There we go. Supplementary angles. But we're missing one more key important part. So who cares if they're supplementary? What's the connection between A and F? A and C. The connection is that they're corresponding angles. So my sentence is going to say something like this. A plus F equals 180 since C and F are supplementary angles and, sorry for another and A comma C are corresponding angles. Whoops. Again, I'm a math teacher, not an English teacher, so I don't want to hear, Mister, you spelled it wrong. Okay, so go ahead. That is it for this video. Hopefully this made sense. We will see you in the next video. Okay, this was problem number 4.